This is the analysis of Jharia coal field. The Jharia coal field is one of the largest and most important coal reserve in India, located in Dhanbad district of Jharkhand. It known for its rich deposit of high-grade coking coal with an essential for steel production. However, Jharia is also infamous for its underground coal fires, environmental degradation, and issues related to displacement of local communities. Coal mining in Jharia dates back to the late 19th century during British colonial rule. Over the year, it has become a significant contributor to India's energy and steel industries. The coal extracted from Jharia is primarily used in a steel plant, thermal power station, and other industrial applications. Due to its high caloric value and a low ash content, Jharia coal is in a great demand. The Jharia coal field covered an area of approximately 450 square kilometer and contain estimated coal reserve of over 19 billion tons. The coal deposit here are found in multiple seams, often the shallow depth, making them easily accessible for the mining. However, the has also led to rampant open cast mining, which has further aggravated environmental concern. One of the most processing issues in Jharia is its underground coal fires, which have been burning for over a century. These fires started due to the unscientific mining practices and a poor management. The burning coals releases toxic gases such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, leading to severe air pollution and a health problem for local residents. In some areas, land subsidence has caused entire villages to collapse, forcing people to relocate. Here is the environmental impact. The environmental consequences of the coal mining in Jharia are serves air pollution, emission of harmful gases due to underground fires led to respiratory disease among the local population. Land degradation, large-scale open-cast mining has destroyed fertile land and forest. Water pollution. Mining activities contaminate local water sources with coal dust and chemical. Loss of biodiversity. The destruction of natural habitats has led to decline in the local flora and fauna. Despite being rich in the resources, Jharia faces significant socio-economic challenges. Thousands of people, include mine workers and their families, live in hazardous conditions due to the subsidence and pollution. Many residents suffer from respiratory illness, and access to clean water and proper sustenance remain a major concern. Displacement due to mining activities has also led to a social unrest, and as people lost their homes and livelihoods. There is the government efforts and rehabilitations. The Indian government and the Coal India Limited has taken several initiatives to address this problem. Jharia Master Plan launched to relocate affected families and extinguish underground fire. Mine fire control methods like sand filling, water spraying, and isolation of burning area have been implemented to control fire. Environmental restoration. Efforts are being made to reclaim mined out area by planting trees and reducing pollution. Alternative livelihood programs, skill development programs are being introduced to help displaced workers find a new employment opportunity. Last but not the least, Jharia coal field is a crucial energy resource for India, but its long-standing problem poses serious environmental and human challenges. While government initiatives are in place, more sustainable mining practices, better environmental management, and the effective rehabilitation program are necessary to ensure a balance between economic development and the environmental conservation. Without timely interventions, the crisis in Jharia could worsen, affecting millions of lives and regions' overall ecological stability. Thank you for watching this video.